channel, Karimly TV channel. Take some coffee or tea. In this video I will give you very useful information about how you can open free Shopify store. Yes, free Shopify store. This will be good for your startup, for your business beginning. First of all, we must to enter shopify.com/partners. After that, you must click join link and sign up with your email. For example, I will show you how. I'm taking my email, entering to here, and I will show you step by step how you can open free Shopify store. Please watch this video till the end. Also, for friends who are watching me from post-Soviet unions like Ukraine, Belarus, Azerbaijan and other countries, I can help them to open store if they will contact me by Telegram. Now we are clicking to join. After that, we are writing our name and surname. For example, we must write here some password. I'm writing password. Please watch this video till the end. Saving my password. Yes, after you see this page, you must click to create new partner account. Please create new partner account. Here you will write your business name. For example, I'm writing my business name. Gadgets store, and write your address. For example, city, you must write here zip code, job title, and you must also to enter some phone number here. After that, we must fill this form with the primary way applying as a Shopify partner. We're going other. After that, which commerce platform have you worked with? Please select all that apply. I will select WooCommerce, WordPress. Also, I'm not working with any e-commerce platforms. I have read and agree to the partner agreements. This must be all verifiable with and go to the we must write here job title. For example, your attention needed for we must fill all these. We must choose, for example, building new Shopify. Sorry about that. Shopify store for clients. No. Now we must pass it. Okay. Welcome to eGadget store. Development, you can see development stores let you build a store with an unlimited development period. After transferring ownership or shelf your clients can observe fee. Okay, this is great. After that, we must confirm our account, I think. Here, confirm your business email, confirming our email. After that, I will show you how you can create a store. Now we will create store, free store for our first 15 sellings. It's not a little amount for beginners. It's good. We see what we these notifications. This is not important. Now we will create our first store. Click to the add store. After that, pick a store type. You must choose development store. Now I will type my store name. Gadget 1, for example, or I gadget store. This URL is unavailable one. This store name is available. We must type password here also. Please type your password. Now you see this address is okay. What you will do with this development store? Please choose I'm just playing around and save. Save password. We're creating your store. Okay, we're waiting. Please watch this video till the end. Success, your store is ready to go. Very good. Now we will wait a while. It will great, my dear friends. You see, we can already choose our store template. You see our store already created. You also can add products, you customize your theme and others. Now we are going to online store, and here we will choose a template for our brand new store. We must give some password here. Password. It's not important, I think, but it will be. If it will be important, you can type some password here. For example, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we are going again to our online store. Now we will choose template style for our store. Click to customize. If you will click customize, you will see already your store carcass is ready for design. It's very easy to design this store. If you will need some tutorial how to design your Shopify store, I will prepare for you. I will create another video for you. Now we must choose some design for our store. For example, I like store by name minimal. This is very easy and working very fast. I will try to find it. Yes, this store minimal. You see, as you can see, we have different choices here: modern style, vintage style, fashion style. For me, I like fashion style. That's why I will choose this one. Add to this theme library. We are waiting a while. You see this uploading our new minimal time. Afterwards, you already this is the first application which you need, this overload application for dropshipping, and if you would like to do some dropshipping from AliExpress and sell it in your own store, this application is very important for you. Our store is already added. You can preview. You see iGadget store. You see this already created. Now we will, if you need tutorial how to fill this store, how to add orders, I will create for you another video. Now from applications, I advise you to add overlay application, because this is very important when you will do dropshipping from AliExpress, from Alibaba, from other sites. Now we must add this application. I will show you how. Gadget stores. We must wait a while. Yes, you see these are different applications here. We must find overload here, overload application. Overload dropshipping application. You see, now we're clicking to here and just clicking add application. It's adding this application to my brand new store. Install application. You see, we are clicking install application. After that, you can create new overload account with same email and choose some password for yourself. We're also creating new overload for our dropshipping. Create free account, save it. That's all, dear friends. Also, our overload account existed already. Everything ready for use. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video for future videos, how to use dropshipping applications, how to create free stores, how to sell different products in different platforms. Thanks a lot again.